Two persons A and B have unequal number of items with them and they sell at different prices but earn the same sum. If A sells at B's price and B sells at A's price, they would earn rupees 19,600 and rupees 3,600 respectively. If A has 44 items more than B, how many items do they have in all? Now, it is given that they have unequal number of items and sell at different prices but earn the same sum. So let's form a small table for us to understand. So let's assume the quantity which they have as X and Y, and let's assume the price at which they sell as A and B. Now it's given here that they earn the same sum. Therefore, we can say that from this figure, the revenue of A and revenue of B will be XA and YB, and that is equal. So we have here XA is equal to YB. From this, we can have the equation as X by Y is equal to B by A. Now, it is given that if A sells at B's price, that means X products are sold at price B, he will earn 19,600. So therefore, we get the equation as XB is equal to 19,600. And if B sells at A's price, that means Y products are sold at rupees B will earn rupees 3,600. So YA becomes 3,600. Now these are the two equations which we get if I divide the first equation by the second one. That means if I do XB upon YA is equal to 19,600 upon 3,600. We can see here the right hand side, the zeros get cancelled. Now from this equation, I can say that B by A, which is over here, can be replaced by X by Y. So therefore, the equation becomes X square upon Y square. Now, if we take square root throughout of this equation, then we get X by Y is equal to 14 by 6, which we can reduce further as 7 by 3. So the ratio of quantities of A and B is 7:3. Let's assume that X is equal to some multiple of 7. Let's say it is 7A and Y is 3A. Now it is specifically given that A has 44 items more than B, right? So therefore, we get the equation as 7A minus 3A is equal to 44. So that means 4A is equal to 44. Therefore, A is equal to 11. Okay. So therefore, the quantities which A and B have, that is X and Y, become X is equal to 11 sevens are 77 and Y has 11 threes are 33. Now we want the total items, so we add it up 77 plus 33, we get the answer as 110. So our answer is option D.